blizzard has winds that go at least 35 miles per hour. A blizzard has big winds that blow the snow all over the place. Blizzards are dangerous storms. Do not go outside.
If you are driving in a car and a blizzard comes, you should stay inside the car.
Some people get lost in blizzards because they can't see where they are going. This is called a whiteout. Make sure you have extra layers on if there is a blizzard. If you stay out too long in a blizzard, you could get frostbite. If you are driving in a blizzard, you will have a wreck. If you know a blizzard is coming, you should get extra food. Blizzards could cause your lights to go out or your pipes to freeze.
You need to have some candles in case there is a blackout.
It is important to have batteries for your radio and flashlight if the power is out for a long time. A blizzard can cause no electricity, so get extra blankets to keep warm. You need to have bottled water in case your pipes freeze. You should listen to the radio during a blizzard so you know when a blizzard is over.
Watch for ice after blizzards. If you drive on black ice, your car could get stuck.